An ecosystem refers to the interaction between living organisms, plants, animals, microorganisms, and their physical environment, soil, water, air. Ecosystem restoration is the process of repairing damaged natural environments, such as forests, wetlands, grasslands, and rivers, so they can once again support biodiversity and offer essential services. In Zimbabwe, human activities like deforestation, mining, overgrazing, and urbanization have led to ecosystem degradation. Restoring these ecosystems is crucial for environmental sustainability, economic development, and improving livelihoods. Here are benefits of ecosystem restoration. 1. Improved rainfall and climate regulation. Restoring forests and vegetation helps to regulate rainfall patterns and mitigate the effects of climate change by absorbing carbon dioxide. Example: reforestation in the eastern highlands, e.g. Nyanga, improves local rainfall patterns and helps combat droughts. 2. Improved water quality and availability. Healthy ecosystems like wetlands and forests help to filter and store water, ensuring clean and reliable supplies for agriculture, industry, and domestic use. Example: the restoration of Monavale Vley in Harare has enhanced groundwater recharge and reduced pollution in water bodies. 3. Conservation of biodiversity. Restoration supports the return of native plants and animals, which boosts biodiversity and strengthens ecological balance. Example: in Gonarajo National Park, conservation efforts have helped restore wildlife habitats, attracting elephants, buffalo, and birds. 4. Improved agricultural productivity. Healthy ecosystems maintain soil fertility and moisture, which improves crop yields and grazing conditions for livestock. Example: in Matabeleland South, community-managed grazing areas have improved rangeland quality and supported livestock health. 5. Carbon sequestration and climate mitigation. Forests, grasslands, and wetlands absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, helping to reduce the impact of global warming. Example: afforestation projects under Zimbabwe's National Tree Planting Day help offset carbon emissions and mitigate climate variability. 6. Creation of employment opportunities. Ecosystem restoration projects create jobs in tree planting, conservation education, nursery work, ecotourism, and land rehabilitation. Example: in Binga, community-based forest restoration has created employment for locals involved in planting indigenous trees. 7. Source of medicinal plants and resources. Restored forests and wetlands provide access to traditional herbs, food, fuelwood, and other non-timber forest products. Example: the Miombo woodlands provide medicinal plants like Mupfura and Musvisvi, used in traditional healing practices. 8. Reduced risk of natural disasters. Restored ecosystems such as forests and wetlands act as natural barriers that reduce the impact of floods, droughts, and soil erosion. Example: restoration of riverbanks along Mazau River prevents floods and protects nearby communities from waterborne diseases. 9. Promotion of ecotourism. Healthy ecosystems attract tourists interested in wildlife, nature walks, and birdwatching, contributing to foreign currency earnings. Example: ecosystem restoration in Hawaii National Park enhances tourism, which generates income for conservation and local communities. 10. Sustainable livelihoods and poverty reduction. Restored ecosystems support sustainable farming, fishing, and forestry practices, improving food security and reducing rural poverty. Example: in Chureji, restored wetlands are used for fish farming and vegetable gardening, providing income and food for local households.